Cool. Well, get in contact with me.
Okay.
Yeah, if you go to auto contracts, I should have my email up there. But if you, on the Meetup link, if you just say, hey, Michael, I want to get in contact, I'll put my email address there.
Auto contracts. Yeah, if you just want to add it to the Meetup comments.
Yeah, cool. We'll do.
Oh, autocontract.io is down.
Yes. Auto contracts.
Contracts.
Auto contracts, yeah. It'll just take you to the GitHub repo. Haven't made a website yet.
Okay, yep. Cool. Awesome.
Cool.
Awesome. Thanks, Michael. Cheers.
Enjoy your drink.
Okay, you can have 60 seconds. 60 seconds, yeah. Go. Okay, so I only have about 60 seconds here because I'm not actually presenting today. Hopefully I'll be presenting at the next Ethereum meetup. But my name is Michael Payton. There's been a lot of Michaels tonight. I swear, like everything's been a Michael. But anyways, yeah, so I have a company called YawLife, and we're creating a currency called Lifecoin. We were supposed to have a crowd sale a while back, but due to lack of funding, we wanted to ensure that it was secure and had a good user experience because, to be quite frank, the user experience with cryptocurrency is shit nowadays. Like it's, even the fact of having QR codes and an address, that in itself is not geared towards the general masses. So we're trying to eliminate that and make it as simple as possible for the general public to actually be able to adopt the technology and be able to get involved in crowd sales and whatnot. So we're launching a crowd sale on 7/7/17 or July the 7th, 2017. And what we're building is a social network that pays users for the content they create, as well as paying users for the content that they review. And in addition to that, we're also working with a medical company in Canada to create this thing called the Life Chain. And the Life Chain, funny enough, actually with everything that's been talked about, is actually a blockchain that uses something similar to the Zero Cash protocol, which shards data into a bunch of different pieces. And we'd ideally like to utilize homomorphic encryption, which is highly complicated, and we'll see how that ends up actually working out and whether we're able to make that possible. But essentially, we're going to be able to have access to electronic health records and electronic medical records, be able to utilize that to diagnose, treat, and cure diseases and health conditions better than any human can through the data we're able to access through our artificial intelligence. So that's really what we're building, and at the same time, instead of rewarding people with Lifecoin for mining, because we're built on top of the Ethereum platform, we're also making it so that people that contribute their computing power, similar to the Golem network, will actually receive Lifecoin as a reward for contributing their computing power. And in order to solve the problem of people that use phones and people that have computers, we have a segregated pool of who we distribute Lifecoin out to, so that people who are using phones, it's more of a proof of stake based mining process, whereas people who use like desktop computers, it's more of a proof of work based process. So there's actually not people with mobile phones competing against people with desktop computers, because desktop computers are going to annihilate them every single time. So yeah, so basically the next meetup, hopefully I'll have some more information about this, but right now we have the shittiest website of all time because I literally had just changed it. We actually had a better website before, but yaw.life, we just have just literally an email sign up form right now. But in like less than a week's time, we'll have a better website out. We'll have white paper before we launch our crowd sale, and hopefully I'll be speaking at the next meetup. But cool. Yeah, thanks. So thanks for coming out, guys. Thanks to Atlassian. Thanks to Ben. Join just follow the updates on the Meetup page. We might be at a different place next month. We're going to switch it up each month. So yeah.
Can everyone pick up a bottle and a chair and pack them away in the back? If you need to get going, just get going. But if you've got a couple of minutes, then please help us pack up.
Awesome. Thanks.
Thank you for coming.